Hello, my friends. This is Hani Amiri. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm glad to see you here. And for everyone who is watching my videos for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate from home since 2015. I did many mistakes. I struggled a lot, but I did it by the middle of 2017. Successful online business and it's up and running right now. I usually share my tips and advices for people who's trying to set up online business, or even if they are already started but struggle a little bit, so need some motivation, need some more information, need some good advices from honest man with a good experience both in the traditional business and in the online business right now. Because I have tried and also took many courses, so then I have a good impression and I have good information about let's say everything how it's going on and what's the courses offering, or how to carry on online training and things like this. So keep watching this video because to the end, because I'm gonna speak about my experience with the courses I already took and get benefit from there as I was setting up my business since 2015 right now. So I will see you after this short intro. Welcome back, my friends. Today I'm going to speak about the courses. Maybe you have in your mind some of questions, or you need more information how the courses works. So in general, it depends. All the courses depend on the same principle, the same steps, and the different same information with a little bit of differences here or there according to the nature of the business or the niche you are working. I'm speaking about the affiliate marketing. So when you join a course, it's usually 1 month at least, 6 weeks, and some of them 2 months. So this will be a daily sessions. Some of the platforms or some of the coaches release daily sessions for students, and others it you will find all the courses open for you. So for those coaches or the course provider, let's say, they have good reason for releasing daily sessions, because they said we give the student enough time to practice and to think and maybe to go to reference something, try to watch some other training, or try to find himself comfortable, and then we'll move him the next day to the second session. It's good because yes, you will have enough time to practice, and because for the first days there is no too much practicing, just watching, listening, things like this, because it will be offered you general overview and some general information about the whole course. But when you finish the first week, then you'll go in depth with the some training, and you will start learning how to use the softwares, the auxiliary softwares, let's say, and the softwares that you need to use, or you need to be you have a membership there, so that it will help you to in your setup as online entrepreneur, working online and selling other people's products. These tools is the autoresponder and the funnel. The funnel, you will use it later for setting up or building a sales funnel, and the sales funnel will include, of course, the landing page, the opt-in page to collect emails, and then to proceed to another step, the bridge page, and then if your prospect or the client who's visiting your, checking your sales page, interested, he will proceed for final payment. This is the sales funnel. So the important thing is you learn how to, you'll have step-by-step training on how to set up your autoresponder, then how to connect it with your funnel, or how to upload or put your emails, the templates that you have for later to follow up with your client if someone joins you. This is will take maybe the next week approximately, and the other things will focus on the marketing, which is the most important, I think, in all the process, because when any course you will take, you will learn the basics. You will learn what the tools that you have to use, and this will be your let's say first step to be able to promote or sell other people's products. Maybe as I mentioned in previous videos, all those course provider will let you by the end to promote the course itself if you want that, but by the end you will find yourself comfortable maybe to promote other products, other courses like online products or even physical products, so you'll be able to do the job by yourself, because it depends by the end on the same principle and so. My advice for you when you feel yourself ready and comfortable to move to this stage for the professional training is to take one course and to give yourself time to understand very well from the beginning to the end, and don't try if the course all open in one place. Don't try to see the first 10 minutes and then go to the 10th or to the 20th. No, it's not like acceptable to do it like this, because all the course is designed to let you build your knowledge step by step, give you, like, let's say, doses of information, so that it will grow, and by the time you will find yourself have the whole image on how to work online, how to use the tools. Of course, there is a lot of details for that, but the main focus, after you understand the process of selling online, is the advertisement or the promotion, which is you learn exactly. And by the way, I'm gonna speak next videos about some good courses. One of them, two of them actually, I have the link there if you want to check. Those two courses I like a lot, because they provide you, when you finish the courses, with the online assets. Online assets, that mean they will give you the videos if you want to make a Facebook ad or YouTube ad, or there is banners, all the promotion tools, you will find it. And even they will provide you the email sequence, so that you will upload to your autoresponder. So this is really good because they make it easy for the student not to feel lost by the end. There is some good online assess tools, which some of them, the, the marketer himself who records the videos showing his like luxury life, showing his experience, showing his how much money he make according to tutorials, things like this. So it will be really good and helpful for the student if he want to start his journey to promote this product or other products. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some value from this video, and please subscribe, please drop me a line, comment below and give me a thumb up, and I will see you very soon. Thank you.